Notice it's not giving my formula. It's not giving me. So let's look. This means an issue. See, it's showing inconsistent formula because we use if sum here. So to be able to run my formula, the addition, notice it's not going through. You see it's inconsistent formula. So you click on error. Okay. So that is the app we're talking about. Okay. So now it's saying I don't have network. All right. So let's go with this. 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 You see it? See that is now working. It's now working. Let's go with this. See that is now working. Let's go with this. Okay. You see it? So it's important that you are able to use different opportunity and different techniques for you to be able to achieve your aim. You see it? So look at it here. 64. All right. Now we have been able to achieve this. Initially, we use this using sum and here this result. See, it's giving us zero, but I have to now work on it manually. Okay. Now for this percentage, so that we'll be using quotients. Okay, we've used subtraction, multiplication, and sum. So using quotient, I want to know the percentage that was sold out. So to do that, this is its quantity, that is 9 of this, 9 of this. We are going to divide it by what we have here, okay, to get the percentage that was sold, percentage that was sold out, okay, equal to, it's just to show you, you can try to formulate your formula to solve different issues, okay, by time. But if you want to know the total quantity that was sold out, okay, let's assume we have 9. Okay, let's use our quotient, okay, quotient. So if you look at this, you're not saying we have quotient, this is quotient, okay, click on it. Now I say, what are you using as your numerator? This is it. Now our denominator, what was the total quantity of rice? Let's use that, not of the entire product, but of rice. 10. Okay. So press okay. So this is it. That is 9 over 10. So let's make a percentage. Okay, even though I'm not getting it right, let's see. Okay. So here we have F3 says quantity divided by 10. Here we have F4 divided by C4. Here we have 30 divided by this. Now let's try this manually. Equal to this divided by this. Equal to. So you see we have this. You see it? So it means the issue is because we have used multiple formula. Okay. So if in case you use this as is not working, you should be able to use this. So it's not difficult. Okay. So let's go over it again. I'm going to remove this now. We're going to clear content. Okay. Then I'll come back to here. Equals to, this is my numerator divided by this. Okay. Then I'll press enter. Okay. This is 90%. Since I formatted it with percentage. Okay. And then I'll drag down. Look at it. It's at the percentage. So you see we have performed quotient. That is your division. We have performed some. We performed. We have also performed product and subtraction. Now there's one thing I want to also show you is how to freeze your header and the column here, the title of your worksheet, and this from moving even when you have multiple items. So to do that, you click on this place, come to your view, okay, and getting to your view, go to your view group. You see freeze panels and click on this first one, keep rows and columns visible. Okay, it's now done. So let's check it out and see. Let's check it out and see. Notice they are not moving, right? All right. So you have been able to perform data entry, then the cell formatting. Then we have also been able to perform some additions, and then not only that, we have been able to also perform percentages, divisions, and freezing of panel. We'll be stopping here today. In our next class, we'll see how to hide and unhide column and row. We'll see how to